What's going on YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades coming at you live with another video on AMC. So before I hop into this one, guys, last video I posted had an overwhelming amount of views, likes, and comments. I absolutely love it. I also mentioned that my goal for June was to hit 500 subscribers, and you guys helped me get there literally within 2 days. So guys, so much love and appreciation for that. I guess I'm going to have to set a new goal here, which is going to be, of course, 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, that would be greatly appreciated. So now, hopping into the good stuff. All right, so definitely had a great day trading today. Of course, we opened the morning pretty good and hit a high right off the bat of 59.68. Of course, if you guys have been with me before, the big thing I'm looking for is consolidation. So we had this really beautiful consolidation here for just about, call it an hour, I would say. And of course, we can confirm this down here with the MACD. We did push up above that resistance level for, I would say, just about 45 minutes. And just so you guys are aware, I have that line drawn in at 57.88. Once that happened, guys, we got hit with a nasty, nasty short sale attack. That brought us down quite a bit. Look at this 1 minute candle. I'll zoom in here so you guys can get a visual of that. We went from literally, what's this number here? I'm getting old because I have to literally squint at this screen, man. I need glasses or something. But we went from 58.84 all the way down to 54. So literally a $4 drop within, what is that? 5 minutes, call it. Of course, I'm going to show you why this was some suspicious activity. But nonetheless, guys, we did finish the day trading sideways, which I love to see. Of course, we didn't get much of it, but, you know, I'll take it, guys. Closed right around $55 for, or exactly $55 for the day. So I love to see that number. Of course, we were up for the day. So, guys, we got to take those wins every single day. Of course, not much going on the 1 minute chart. Of course, with the RSI, we did trade pretty healthy for the most part. Of course, for this nasty sell-off right around, I think it was like 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyways, guys, we'll take a look at the 1 hour chart. I know a lot of people have been tracking this. Of course, it looks like a bull flag, is forming here. And we'll zoom in, take a look at this. So a lot of people said we did have the breakout today. I'm going to go with no, because if we had a breakout, we would have seen some massive upside potential here. But of course, we really didn't. If you guys have followed, I've really been tracking how many times we touch a support resistance line and also with those bull flags. And really what I've found is AMC likes to kind of jump around in a given area, and it hits this top level right here just about 4 times before we break out. That's been pretty consistent for the most part. So we do have 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for this 4th one now. And of course, we have been trading in this wedge pattern, and I would love to see us break out. If not Tuesday, definitely Wednesday. But we absolutely are. Best case scenario, we absolutely push through this and see all-time highs. I would love to see $100 this week. That would make me so happy. Worst case scenario, I think we trade right around $47. And of course, worst case scenario, we do come back down to that $25 range. Of course, I do not think either worst case scenario that I mentioned is going to happen. But of course, I do have some money left over. So if that happens and we see $25, I'm absolutely going all in. Of course, I do not think that is going to happen, just to be clear. From a technical perspective, guys, this kind of sideways trading that we've been seeing really gave the technicals with the RSI and the MACD a chance to catch up. And as you can see, guys, yeah, of course, we've seen this downslope in the MACD and, of course, with the RSI. But, guys, it is tough for big whales to jump in when the RSI is at a level of, what is this, 96, and a MACD that's really, really high. Of course, compared to what we've seen in the past as well. And same thing on the daily chart here. We'll jump over, and this is the last chart that we'll look at until we get into the juicy deets, as I'll call it. All right, so of course, yeah, looking down here, of course, this RSI, yeah, it's going to show overbought and overextended, but that is totally fine. I say this every video, and I'm going to continue to say it. These technicals are not looking at all the behind-the-scenes data and what's actually going on. It's just looking at the candlesticks and giving that output. So guys, I would ignore it, but of course I am a very technical trader, so I always like to have this in the back of my head. But with this, you know, when we did hit that high of 72.62, this RSI was at 96. Of course, we needed a cool off before we continued the run higher, and that's exactly what we've been seeing for the past couple of days. Nonetheless, we're still trading up. We're having higher lows, and of course, guys, this wedge, as I pointed out, is coming to an end, and things are about to get crazy. All right, so as I mentioned, that sell-off that happened today, look at this. This chart right here on the right-hand side, or my right-hand side, I'm not sure how this is going to show up in the video. But anyways, look at this. This is literally to the T. And of course, this is AMC and GME, two of the most popular stocks. And guys, this is absolutely coordinated. I really don't even know what to say with this. This is literally the same exact chart. And we've seen this for the past several months. AMC and GME trading side by sides. If you compare them in Webull, it's literally identical. Of course, two stocks never trade like that, who are not the same company, not in the same group of stocks. So this is fishy. Why this happens, I really wish I could tell you for facts, but we do know that hedge funds who are shorting AMC and GME are doing some funky things behind the scenes. That's a story for another day, which we don't have to get into because that's an absolute rabbit hole. But nonetheless, we can see this picture perfect coordination attack that we saw today. I don't know about you guys, but I didn't think twice when I saw this. I've seen much worse short attacks on AMC. Guys, if you've been with me since January or February, this is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, of course, they're trying to shake out some paper hands, but it's not happening. Ape Nation is stronger than ever, and we have such an amazing community behind us. And just to show you guys this I found on Reddit, just going through total mentions on Reddit and Twitter. Look at AMC, guys. 31,000 total mentions. And this is literally the most talked about stock in the market right now. Even Tesla, which has been huge, absolutely nothing compared to what, AMC is at. Even GameStop, guys. GameStop is really what caused a lot of attention into this. So to see that, I love to see it. It's really amazing. Anyways, guys, if you have not seen this article yet, boy, are you in for a treat. So, Interactive Brokers founder, literally, quote, you can quote this, says, don't short AMC memes or meme stocks. They can soar to unimaginable highs. Absolutely speechless. This is amazing to see. So now, and guys, I'll link this in the description below. Definitely watch this quick 5-minute video. It'll make you happy because it made me so happy. But let's just go through exactly what he was saying. And keep in mind, I am not as intelligent as this guy. This guy backing this movement essentially and saying, guys, someone's going to get crushed here. It's not going to be retail. It's going to be hedge funds. I'm trusting this guy. I don't know about you guys. Anyways, this is quoted here in CNBC. It is extremely tempting to short these stocks, of course. But unless you have huge liquid resources, please try to resist the temptation because these prices can go to unimaginable highs before they settle down to a reasonable valuation. And you may have to cover on the high point, which of course is going to happen for those unlucky hedge funds. Anyways, on the long run, stocks always approach their fundamental values, which of course is going to happen in the long run. You know, years down the road when this short squeeze is over, of course AMC is not going to be trading at tens or $20,000 per share. That's just absolutely crazy. But after this is said and done, it'll find its true intrinsic value and trade around there. But of course, before that happened, things are going to get interesting. And is it going to be fun for us retail investors? Of course, and I honestly, I'm going to butcher his last name, but it's Peter, whatever. Acknowledging that why short sellers see an opportunity in certain stocks, such as AMC, that have soared in the price after becoming favored by retail traders. Of course, if you look at the intrinsic value and get super technical here, guys, AMC's true value is absolutely not $49.05 at the time of this video, but I believe we closed at 55 today. Anyways, guys, this is not a fundamentals play. This is a true short squeeze play. We are absolutely above intrinsic value, but it is going to be absolutely interesting and mind-blowing. Absolutely. On top of that, life-changing for us apes. I hope you guys hold because I'm holding for you, and I know you're all holding for me. Anyways, guys, that's really the bulk of this video. This week is going to be interesting. I have some high hopes. I also have some call options that I've been going over. And I also want to add it up to you guys. If you guys want to see what call positions I'm taking, why I'm taking them, and also how I'm taking them, definitely leave a comment in the description requesting that because I'm happy to share some videos. Also, my YouTube channel, my Twitter channel is over here, linked above. If you guys have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm really trying my hardest to go through all of my comments on the YouTube channel, reply to everyone I can on Twitter. So if you have questions, 110% reach out to me because I'm here for you guys. I'm an absolute ape. I love this community. I'll do anything for you guys. Anyways, tune in for the next video, guys. I'll be coming live every single day this week. And love you all. Take it easy.